There are three issues which I'd like to draw your attention this morning. Media reports have clearly shown that now for over a month, can I continue? Now for over a month, the naval chief's position is remaining vacant. This government, which shows undue hurry in filling up positions, bureaucratic positions, has shown a very laid-back approach which may lead to a compromise on national security in as much as delaying the appointment of a naval chief. The Bharatiya Janata Party expresses its concern that the very important position of the naval chief remains unfilled nearly now for a whole month. The second issue is you find that there is a clamor to contest in the Kamal symbol in the May 2014 elections. There is definitely a keenness to contest in the BJP symbol, and that is why you find that every day there is a lot of development about ticket announcement, about people who wish to join the BJP and so on. While this is the picture here with the BJP, I like to draw your attention to the situation in the Congress party. Yesterday we said that people are running away from contest. Today, people are being forced to contest. Even senior leaders are being forced to contest. And who's forcing them? The captain of the ship is giving an SOS call. Srimati Sonia Gandhi, who's the captain of the ship, is calling top leadership saying, please go fight. And somewhere, I can even show you the printout. It is reported in the media based on sources. Apparently, even as she called, it is reported that she had expressed her anguish and worry and demanded that senior leadership go out in the field and fight for the party because we swim or sink together. This is what has been reported in the media. We find this in contrast with what is happening in the BJP, where there is a clamor for contest. We find that in the Congress party, the captain of the ship herself is giving SOS calls to her leadership, saying, please go to the field, please fight for the party. We have to swim or sail together. I don't want to use the expression sink together, but that is what has been reported in the media today. That is the difference between a party which has now very clearly drawn the attention of the people of India, and there is a mood in India. There is a mood in the country today to remove the Congress party from power, to have a Congress Mukt Bharat, and therefore people from various sections of our society are joining the BJP. And that is where there is a clamor for BJP and contest in the BJP under BJP flag and use the BJP symbol as opposed to what is happening in the Congress. We like to draw the attention of the people of India that there is a force and a request by the captain herself there, whereas here there is a attraction of forces which are all looking for Congress Mukt Bharat. That's the second issue. The third is, all through last 2 years, we have both in the parliament and outside said that Congress party is only debating poverty. Is it 32 rupees in the urban, 28 rupees in the rural? आप सबको वो चर्चा मालूम है. We have been talking about it. Sometimes it is how many rupees you have to earn per month to be below poverty line. Some other times how many should you spend to be called poor. एक्सपेंडिचर के आधार पर या तो इनकम के आधार पर चर्चा ही होता रहा. आज you find through the reports on Reserve Bank of India referring to Sri Raghuram Rajan, the governor. I'm not drawing him into this debate, but it is reported in the media that there is a charcha in tackling corruption, in tackling inflation, as regards targeting inflation, which is the other issue which is bothering the common man. Poverty is one issue, inflation is the other issue. We know on poverty, charcha hote rahe. Continuously we are talking 38 rupees income or 28 rupees income, urban poor, rural poor and so on poverty. Whereas now we understand that in tackling inflation also, the government is only in charcha mode. They are only discussing whether the CPI should be used, meaning consumer price index should be used, or the wholesale price index should be used, WPI. Today's report as regards RBI saying that they are in charcha, they are in discussion with the government as to how, on what basis to target inflation, clearly proves that the three top things on which this government is going out of power are poverty, inflation and corruption. All surveys have also showed that. And in all the three, the government has not taken action, they are only talking. Today's report very clearly shows that they are still thinking whether it should be on the basis of CPI or on the basis of WPI, they should handle inflation. So poverty handling is not happening, inflation handling is not happening, corruption handling is not happening, but corruption is happening. जनता तरस रही है. इस सरकार ने 10 साल में कुछ भी कामकाज नहीं किया. गरीबी के ऊपर चर्चा ही चर्चा, महंगाई के ऊपर चर्चा ही चर्चा. आज रिजर्व बैंक के लिंक करते हुए जो खबर आया है वो भी यही साबित करता है कि इन्फ्लेशन के ऊपर, महंगाई के ऊपर भी चर्चा ही चर्चा, और करप्शन के ऊपर तो चर्चा भी नहीं होती है, झगड़ा होती है पार्लियामेंट में, कुछ कार्रवाई नहीं. थैंक यू.